Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's a pretty cool one, and one I was been really excited about ever since I got the twin turbo setup on this thing. And I finally got the Lund Racing multi-tune with the rolling anti-lag and the adjustable ghost cam on the fly, and I'm going to try and show you guys how that works. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. I'm still playing with it, still trying to dial it in and get it perfect with it, so bear with me a little bit. But I got my my little POV Hack Cam right here. I'm going to try and go over it as I'm doing it and show you how it works and how beneficial it is for us twin turbo cars out there. So if you guys seen my last video racing the ESS car, you seen I need to leave with boost in order to keep up with these blower cars off the hit, and this is going to be extremely beneficial once I dial it in, once I get more used to it, see what RPM works best, what gear, and all that stuff. So this is going to be a brief overview of all that stuff and how awesome this technology is, that you could use this and do this with a factory computer car. It just blows my mind, and it's something that I've wanted for so long, and it's just so awesome to be able to do this with a Mustang, a freaking Mustang with a stock computer. You can just download it, set it up, and you have rolling anti-lag and adjustable tunes on the fly. It's really, really cool. And I know the ghost cam is really controversial, but I think it's pretty cool. And just the fact that I could switch it on and off with buttons from my stock steering wheel in a matter of a second is really awesome. So it's just a novelty. It's just something cool to mess with and have fun with, and that's what I'm going to do with it. So I'm going to go over all that. I'm going to show you everything and show you guys some rolling anti-lag, and it's extremely addicting, extremely fun once you get it. But enough of that. Car's all warmed up, just threw some E in it, and yeah, let's roll out, have some fun. All right guys, I got my POV Hack Cam on. Hopefully you guys can see it. I look insane with this, but it's the only way I can record like a POV kind of view and talk at the same time. So I guess I'm just going to deal with it for now. But yeah, so this is really, really cool. So in order to access these menus, all I have to do is use my cruise control buttons, and I can change all these settings and adjust stuff on the fly while I'm driving with the car on. And the ghost cam sounds really, really sick with the turbos. You can actually hear the turbos at idle once it settles. It's really, really cool. And I just had to send Lund a log switching from ghost cam to no ghost cam, and it's only going to get better and smoother as we dial it in. Same thing with the rolling anti-lag. It's really, really, really cool stuff. So give me 1 second, I'll show you guys. All right, so for the ghost cam, all I have to do is use my cruise control button right here. I just hit resume and then plus button, and you see the RPMs jump to 2. That's setting 2, and once it settles, it'll go into the ghost cam. And you hear the car adjusting and doing what it's got to do. There it goes into the ghost cam. Once the car warms up, it really starts to chop. It's really badass. And it drives perfectly fine in ghost cam mode. That's literally how easy it is to switch to ghost cam. And to turn it off, it's the same exact thing. I'll show you guys. Hold on 1 second. I could also... So right now it's on wastegate. It's about 9 pounds of boost. I'm just going to leave it on that because it's pretty warm out today, and I don't feel like beating the hell out of the car too much. But once I get it straight away, I'm not going to do a crazy full pull here, but just so you guys can experience the anti-lag, it's really, really cool stuff. So I have it set to around 3,500 RPMs right now, but I can change that on the fly, which I'll show you guys. And here, I'll put it in sport mode, paddle down, and then all I do is, if you can see my hand right now, all I do is I hold the cruise control off button, floor the car, let it build boost, and when I let go of the button, it shoots the car. It's so sick. And it actually hooked 3rd gear here too, so here. But you have to at least get up to 3,500, your target RPM. So 1 second here. It's a bad road. All right, so here we go. Creep up to 3,500. Wow, that feels so good on wastegate though. Wow, let's see. Yeah, it made 9.5 pounds right there. I'm gonna try it again, but that's literally all you have to do for this rolling anti-lag. Stock computer, stock factory buttons, no wiring, nothing. It's amazing. You just hit this button, cruise control off, hit it, floor the car, let it build boost, and let go, and it just launches you. It's so much fun, guys. I'll show you again, hold on. Here, we'll try it in here. God. Woo! That is insane. Oh my God, it never gets old. Never ever gets old. So she spun there. Oh God, that was 15 pounds. Holy crap. Okay. Let's go down a little bit. There you go. But wow, you can just see it goes, and you let go of the button and you're just launched into the friggin' atmosphere. It's insane. It's like a feeling I can't even describe. It's nuts, and it feels so damn good. But here, I'm gonna pull over real quick and I'm gonna show you guys how it how I can transfer it to the Ghost Tune, what it sounds like. Try not to look like too much of an idiot talking to a camera by myself over here, but we're gonna see. Hold on. All right, so you guys can see me. I'm in park right now, car's running obviously. To enter the multi-tune menu, you just hit resume, and you'll see the tack jump to 1, which means that, you know, you're in the mode. So resume, I go up to setting 2 using the plus button, and you hear it transfer over to the Ghost Cam tune, and you just let it sit and it'll go back. It'll like close out the multi-tune menu. There it is. It's that simple, guys. It is that simple. And you just let it, the longer you let it just, you know, realize what it's doing, it'll chop into the front. And as you can see, it sounds insane with the dumps. I don't even know if you can hear me. Woo. And that is how you go into Ghost Tune, Ghost Tune. And this is how simple it is to get it off. You hit resume, hit the minus on here, back to 1, and you're off. That's it. That's it. Insanely easy. And here, I think I remember how to do this. I might have to look it up, but this is how I change the RPM for the rolling anti-lag. So you have to make sure cruise control is off, then you hit minus, and then resume, right? No, okay. Hold on. You hit off. There you go. So you hit off and then down, and see how it jumps up? And I could use the plus and minus button and use the tack to set my rolling anti-lag RPM. And I can play with it and see what works best. Right now I have it set pretty low. I'm still dialing it in, getting used to it. But I mean, it's amazing that you could do all of this factory ECU, factory computer. I don't need anything extra. So I'm just gonna leave it here at 35, just because. And then to set the RPM limit in there, you just let it sit. I think you can hit cancel too, but I just let it sit and it'll revert back to your normal and show you the RPMs and all that stuff. That's it. That's it. It's amazing. Shout out to Lund, man. Them guys have always treated me well. Have this thing running absolutely insane. I just cannot believe it. I love this car. I love this setup. It has just been an awesome, awesome time with this thing. Badass stuff. I know the video is kind of rushed, kind of crammed, but I'm running out of time here. I got to be somewhere in a minute, but I figured I'd try to make a quick video, explain this to you. But yeah, I mean, it's that simple. And if I had multiple tunes, like if I had a race tune or whatever, I could set it to one of these slots. I could set up to 6 tune slots, and I could transfer tunes on the fly just like that. It's amazing. I think it's a little bit extra money to have, you know, a few more tunes than that, but it is what it is. You really can't complain. It's amazing stuff, guys. Crazy technology from Lund and PCM Tech. Check those guys out. God, that sounds good. Whoa, this thing is a handful. With that anti-lag, wow, that's only setting 2. All right, no more. We're done. We're done. We're done. That is insane, guys. Holy crap. Wow. Well, like I said, guys, that's a brief overview of the Lund Racing multi-tune with the rolling anti-lag. Brief overview, quick video. I am stupid excited for this, and once I get more familiar with it, and I can't wait to start racing with it. No more leaving in vacuum. I'm definitely gonna need some shocks in order to really, you know, leave on a lot of boost, but we'll see. You know, we'll get there eventually. I'm just having a lot of fun with this, and big thank you to Lund Racing for all their help and support with the vehicle and the car, and it runs so damn good. I really have no complaints at all. I drive it anywhere I want. Besides the dumps, you would never know. I mean, maybe the drag pack, but you would never know without the dumps. If I had my full exhaust back on and I closed the valves, you would never know. It's really insane what you can do and how fast you can have a car nowadays and drive it anywhere. It's nuts. It's really nuts. But I love this damn thing, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have a twin turbo car and you roll race a lot like me, or you just want to have some fun on the street, get yourself this damn multi-tune with the rolling anti-lag. You have to. It's just so much fun. And I'm sorry about this glare on the screen, but yeah, it's so much fun, guys. You have to get it. Trust me, you won't regret it. You will absolutely love it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, stay tuned for more. Plenty more to come. Racing coming soon. And in one of these days, we're definitely going to get this thing to the track. Believe me, trust me, I want to go to the track just as bad as you want to see it there. We're going to get it there eventually. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one.